How to find message sound settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message sound settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and after that click on your profile. Just click messages and then select any shot you want. And now just click these 3 points in the top corner, and here is it. Click notifications and sounds, and here you will find message sounds settings. Now you can turn it on or off just by one click, and then select any sound. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.